Welcome back, guys, to another trade recap. And we don't see each other for a long time because it was Christmas and New Year's Eve. So now it's finally the first trading week of the year, and I did take a trade on Wednesday. I didn't record it on Wednesday because it actually closed on Thursday, and now it's Friday because it closed too late, and I wasn't. I was with some friends, and I didn't have the time or didn't have the patience to record a video. So now I'm just recording. It's today on Friday. And today it's NFP, so I didn't trade today. But yeah, let's go into the trade. Let's go into the why I took this trade. And we'll start with the daily. And my idea here was so this was Monday, and this week I was kind of expecting that the market would drop. And this because at the moment, like I believe last Sunday or Saturday, I don't know, uh, it was when Trump actually kidnapped Venezuela's president. So I really expected the US economy to kind of move up because people were trying to invest in it because of what Trump did. It was kind of, I don't know if this is the right way to think about it, but yeah, I was kind of thinking that the XY would move up and thus making EU and GU move lower. And that's why I was bearish for this week. It was more news, but it was more like based on news instead of the chart itself. Because if you look at this is just quite bullish overall, and we were even at this order block here, which is a weekly order block. I think I don't know why I drew it like this, but probably something like that. But yeah, my idea was just if price moves higher, I will just continue to long, following the structure. If price breaks lower, I will just again follow the structure because with a break lower we have a market shift and thus we are bearish now, and also follow the news in a way, the fundamentals. And this is what happened on Monday, which was interesting. The price was moving a lot lower, and I thought to myself, okay, price it's here really low, it will probably close here, and then I will short. And what happened is price retraced a lot, so I believed, okay, maybe we are in the longs. And then I just waited because Tuesday I didn't really found anything useful to long, so price just ended up manipulating. Everyone would thought the longs were in, and then price just moved lower, close below, and now we did in fact close below this order block. So it was time for me to look for the short. So in this day, which is Wednesday, it was when I was bearish. We still had 2 days left, so Wednesday and Thursday before NFP on Friday. So I was safe to trade. And let's see what happened here. So in the 4 hours, we did flip this fair value gap, which was nice to me. But as you can see, this isn't the most bearish thing. Like this looks good on a V shape, but overall here it's looking like it's slowing down. It could potentially reverse, but I found out that even when price starts slowing down, it probably still drops and drops and drops. Even when it's slow, it still usually goes lower. This through some data gathering that I did. Um, and yeah, it was I found out that usually even when price drops a lot, then it's usually does the V shape. This is why I talk about a lot about it. um but yeah, let's continue. So it was looking good, not the best, but looking good overall. And even because of this week, which was exactly what I didn't quite like here. And then on the 1 hour, what I saw was again the structure was overall bearish. So here was a lot bearish, which is good, but here it was kind of slowing down, looking like accumulation in a way. So it could happen that we were just manipulating and then move lower. So I could be wrong before being right, which would suck. So yeah. Um, and also I did put a stop loss here because I saw these equal highs, and even the same thing that I said. This is a range. I just forecasted that market could just do this before actually moving lower. So yeah, stops could be a little bit higher. Could have been like here or something. Probably something to keep in mind, that it should be a little bit higher because the direction in itself it's almost 80% right. Like that it was going to move lower. Again, as I said, due to the um, the news and the so basically the fundamentals and the technicals were just perfectly aligned. The only thing that wasn't aligned was the external, because this was just the internal structure. If you look at the daily, external it's bullish, internal it now shifted bearish. So if we had external, internal, and fundamentals, that would be perfect. But we had internal and fundamentals, which works just fine. So yeah, direction is good. When direction is good, you just use a big stop to prevent fake outs, and then the reaction eventually plays out. It fakes out, it plays out, and that's what I base myself on. And now, finally, let me just take the. Sorry, I don't remember how. I guess. Oh, I cannot even. Sorry. I'll take them out first. And now the 50 minutes, which was when I entered, because I nowadays I usually just enter on the 1 hour because of the it's more certain. But since I was so sure that price was moving lower, like I wasn't 100% sure, but as I explained, I just decided to enter on an aggressive trade, which I didn't enter for a long time. And since I am in kind of a winning streak, I decided it was okay. So I entered just after this shift. So market just moved lower, higher, and then this was a shift, turning this auto block into a bearish auto block. And it also flipped, I believe. Yeah, it flipped this fair value gap as well. So yeah, I just entered an aggressive trade, big stop. It could be bigger again, but not really relevant. The take profit, I just tried to aim between these two targets. And this target is the low. I believe it's that Monday low, and this is just the middle of this order block or fair value gap or whatever it is. You can just go back in the video and see what it was if you actually want to know. And yeah, that was it. Price eventually just moved lower. Once it reached this low, I moved stops to here, maybe above this high. Yeah. And once price reached this first target, I just moved it a little bit above break even, just to be protected by this order block. So I move it to there, and then price eventually just scared me here because this could have just reversed, but then eventually just onto TP, and that was it. And yeah, see you next time.